Hello students, welcome back to KB Rai Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your physics teacher. In previous video, we discussed about the derivation of first equation of motion. In this video, we are going to derive the second equation of motion. For this, here it is given a graph of uniform velocity. So let initial velocity is equal to u, final velocity it is v. You can see here initial u, from here we are considering, and final is v. Let acceleration is a and time taken t. Means the body is moving with initial velocity u, and after t times it gets its final velocity v, and its uniform acceleration is a. So now we will derive second equation of motion. So derivation of position time relation. And this is the second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So the body is under uniform acceleration. So distance traveled I have already told you that the distance traveled by body is represented by the area of the figure formed by it. So here you can see that the area, this one, OABC, area OABC will be the distance traveled by the object. And OABC is a trapezium. In trapezium, it is a quadrilateral where one pair of sides are parallel and other pair is unparallel. So you can see this one pair is parallel and this one is non-parallel. So distance traveled, area of trapezium OABC. And you can see here in trapezium there is one triangle and one rectangle. So distance traveled, we write it as a S, and area of trapezium means area of triangle ABD plus area of rectangle, this one, ADCO or OADC. And we know that area of triangle 1/2 into base into height, and area of rectangle length into width. So S is equal to here 1 by 2 into base into height plus area of rectangle length into breadth. So now we will put the value 1 by 2 considering triangle ABD. Here base is AD and height is BD. So 1 by 2 AD into BD plus length of rectangle AD and width OA. AD into OA. That this is equation number 1. Now from figure, AD means OC. AD is equal to OC and that is time T. BD will be equal to the BC minus CD. So BC minus CD and BC means total V and CD is equal to the OA and that is U. By using first equation of motion, V is equal to U plus AT. So BD is equal to, in place of V, U plus AT minus U. So it will be BD is equal to AT. OA, we know OA is equal to U. Now we will put all these values in equation number 1. So putting the value in equation 1, we get S is equal to 1 by 2. In place of AD, it is T. In place of BD, it is AT. And here it is plus. So plus. And after that, AD. AD means time T. And OA. OA is U. So S is equal to 1 by 2 T into T, it will be T square. So AT square plus UT, or S is equal to UT plus half AT square. And this is known as the second equation of motion, where U, we know initial velocity, T time, A acceleration, and S total distance covered by the body. So following these steps, you can derive the second equation of motion. That's all. Thank you.